Hey kids, do you want to listen to a story? Well, I have an interesting one for you. So, let's start. Once upon a time, there was a man in Norway who caught a great bear. There was a man who caught a huge bear. This man lived in Norway. Norway is the name of a country. He decided that he would give the bear to the king of Denmark. Now, it so fell out that on his journey he came to that part of Norway called the Dovrefell on Christmas Eve. When he went to give the bear to the king, he reached a point named Dovrefell. He reached that part of Norway which was called Dovrefell, and it was evening of Christmas. Stopping at a cottage where a man named Halvor lived, he asked if he and his bear could stay the night. So he stopped at a cottage where a man named Halvor lived. So this man asked Halvor if he and his bear could stay in his cottage at night. Heaven help me if what I say isn't true, said Halvor. Heaven in this line means God. He says if he is wrong, so God will help him. We can't let anyone stay tonight. Halvor told the man with bear that he cannot allow anyone to stay in his home. Why? Why can't he allow? Let's read. Every Christmas Eve, such a pack of trolls comes down upon us that we are forced to flee. He tells that every Christmas Eve, on every Christmas Eve, a pack of trolls comes. A pack of trolls means a number of trolls comes that they have to run away from their house. Flee means to run away. We haven't so much as a roof over our own heads, to say nothing of lending one to anyone else. Halvor says that we have only one roof over our own heads, and we can't even talk of lending one to anyone else. So he simply says that we have only one house, and I cannot give it to you for night stay. Oh, said the man, if that's all it is, you can very well lend me your house. My bear can lie under the stove, and I can sleep in the side room. So the man requested again that you can lend me your house if you have one. My bear can lie under the stove, and I will sleep in the side room. Well, the man begged so hard that at last he was allowed to stay there. So finally, the man got permission to live in Halvor's house. All the people of the house soon left. But before they went, everything was got ready for the trolls. The tables were laid with rice porridge, boiled fish, sausages, and all else that was good just for